Good morning, AD Roy. Your interview is on which date and in which place?
My interview is on 19th February in Chennai.
Oh, you also
Yes,
same.
yes.
Good. Excellent. Very nice. AD Roy, you are a girl from which state?
I'm from West Bengal.
West Bengal. How did you prefer to come to Velur Institute of Technology?
I was pursuing Bachelor of Computer Science honors in Calcutta University. So I wanted to pursue higher studies. And since Vellore Institute of Technology is an esteemed university offering great opportunities for higher studies as well as placement opportunities. So that's why I thought of coming to Vellore and explore the opportunities that's provided by Vellore Institute of Technology, as well as increase my knowledge in the higher studies in the domain of computer science.
Have you ever stayed in hostel before joining VIT?
No, I haven't been staying in hostels before. I was staying in my home only. This is my first time hostel experience in V.I.T. Bangalore.
So this is a 2 year program or a 5 year program?
This is a 2 year program.
Okay, that's right. Now, what did you learn here in Velur Institute of Technology?
In academics point of view, I learned about object-oriented programming language, database management system. Then I learned about artificial intelligence and machine learning. I also got to learn about Python. Then I got to learn about big data analytics among the other subjects.
Can you talk to us about big data analytics?
Yes, sure. Big data analytics is basically handling large volumes of data, large variety of data, and processing them at a very fast processing speed using Hadoop database management system.
Mhm. Good. Now, please tell me about the use of artificial intelligence in banking, where it has been used, where it can be used.
Sure. Artificial intelligence plays a great role in banking industry, and it is indeed revolutionizing the banking industry. Let's say in the federal bank, the FEDI chatbot is used to provide customers solutions and answers to banking customers 24 and 7. Also, artificial intelligence is used for inculcating data analytics to provide customized solutions and products to the customers. They can artificial intelligence indeed is also used by some of the recent banks like Axis banks to create a jump AI bot that is used to uh, create savings account. That is a very revolutionary step. And also artificial intelligence is also used in home loan platforms to automate the home loan processing and make the process even faster. So that is the recent developments. I'm aware of artificial intelligence.
Can you tell us what is banking? What are the different types of banks?
Banking is basically a business that consists of uh, deposits, credit, and offering other financial uh, instruments in products like insurance, mutual funds, and everything. Banks offer deposits to customers at a very nominal rate, and also they give credit to customers at an interest rate. And the different types of banks that are present are commercial banks, there are cooperative banks, there are small finance banks, there are payment banks, then there are regional rural banks, and also
What is the
regional.
what is the capital contribution of central government, state government, and sponsoring bank in RRBs?
So, as much as I know, the regional rural banks are solely government sponsored banks. About the partnership percentage, I will read on it.
Actually, it is central government 50%, sponsoring bank 35%, 15% from the state government. Can you name the RRBs in West Bengal? You may
Sir,
not know. Doesn't
I'm
matter.
not
You
aware.
may not
I'll
know.
check
Doesn't
it.
matter. So now, which is the regulating authority of banks?
The regulating authority of bank is Reserve Bank of India. It was established in the year 1935 following the RBI Act of 1934.
Can you tell me what are the functions they are doing?
Reserve Bank of India is the bank of government and state governments, as the state government and state governments have accounts in Reserve Bank. It is a banker of banks. It provides loans and at a repurchase rate bank rates to the banks. It also acts as a banking ombudsman for resolving customer grievances. It is also a bank of the last resort. It helps banks to overcome financial emergencies um, during financial emergency situations. It also plays a great role in managing forex reserves and also stabilizing the financial the dollar financial stability of the rupee currency. Another role it plays, a great role it plays in controlling the inflation and economic stability of our country.
Mhm. What is Monetary Policy Committee? When was it last meeting? What was the decision in that meeting?
The monetary policy is the committee constituted by RBI to take care of the inflation rates, stabilizing the inflation rates of the country. The recent monetary policy decision that is was the reduction of the repo rate from 6.5% to 6.25%. And also the other monetary policy decisions that came along with it is the domain names for the specific domains for bank and financial institutions, like bank.in for banking institutions and fin.in for financial institutions. The bank.in domain registration is going to take place from April 2025. And regarding the monetary policy committee, I will read.
Mm. What is your father?
My father is an ex-serviceman. He was a sub-inspector at Central Industrial Security Force.
Acha. What is your mother?
My mother is a government school teacher.
What makes you think this job is suitable? Because most of the time, you may have to go out of the bank, talk to different people at different times, and convince them for opening up the account. What makes you think you are suitable for this post?
And as a student graduate from a technological field, I can explain, and since Federal Bank is digital at core and human at fore, so I can better explain the technological aspects of Federal Bank, how hassle-free banking is possible through Federal Bank, and also through my interpersonal skills, I can convince more customers and also build a good relationship with the customers and offer after banking services. And an important strength of mine is I am very hardworking, and I am also um, capable of doing overtime work. I can do everything possible in my part to grow the business of Federal Bank and a good repo with the existing customers, as well as bring in new clients for the Federal Bank using my interpersonal skills as well as my technological skills.
What are the products of our bank you are familiar with?
The products of Federal Bank that I'm familiar let me start with digital products. The digital products are FedNet, the Federal Net Banking System. That was one of the first that was introduced in 2000. Then comes the Fed mobile app, the Federal Mobile Banking app that is suitable for tech-savvy customers who prefer banking on the go. Then comes Fed a Buzz, a federal banking platform for small and micro enterprises that handles uh, tax payments and bulk payments among other facilities. And the latest one is Fed One, that is used for big corporate organizations, that provides enterprise resource management planning, tax payment, bulk tax payment, then um, expenses analysis, among other facilities. And there are many loan products of Federal Bank. Like this. home loans, car loans that are provided at very affordable interest rate. Also, there are multiple savings account coming up on part of federal bank. Like there's this federal selfie account, then there's federal esteem for account for senior citizens. Then there are Stellar account and Celeste account for the premium customers. These are all the products that I'm aware of.
Good. Okay, you told about various products nicely. I'm happy. Now, among these, mm, can you talk to us about gold loans? Imagine you are going to market for our gold loan. There is no need because people will be standing the moment you open the bank, people will be standing in the queue for taking gold loan. Assuming you are in a village where there are not many people coming for gold loan, you have to go out and canvass for gold loan. What are the words you will use to convince them to come to us?
Okay, so since I'm catering to the rural population, so they have a issue with trusting the banks that since they have
You
very
can
minimal
you can
financial.
talk you can talk in your mother tongue. Imagine we are posting you to a village
Okay.
in West Bengal and you are marketing there. Please talk in local language for 1 minute only. Within that 1 minute, you must be able to convince them to come to our bank.
নমস্কার, আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগতম। আমি আজকে আপনাদের জানাবো আমাদের ফেডারেল ব্যাংক থেকে গোল্ড লোনে কি কি সুবিধা আপনারা পাবেন। প্রথম কথা, আপনারা প্রচন্ড ভাবে আমাদের ব্যাংকে ট্রাস্ট করতে পারেন, কারণ গোল্ড একটা অনেক ইম্পর্টেন্ট আমাদের অ্যাসেট, যেটা আমাদেরকে বিপদে সাহায্য করে। তো ব্যাংকও, আমাদের ফেডারেল ব্যাংকও এমন একটা অর্গানাইজেশন যারা আপনাকে বিপদে সাহায্য করবে। কিভাবে সাহায্য করে এবার আমরা দেখে নিই। প্রথম কথা, আমাদের গোল্ড লোন ইনস্ট্যান্টলি স্যাংশন হয়ে যাবে, আর খুব কম প্রসেসিং লাগবে তার জন্য। ফার্স্ট, তার আরেকটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফ্যাক্টর হচ্ছে আমাদের পার গ্রাম যে রেটটা, সেটা বাকি ব্যাংকের থেকে অনেকটা বেশি। তারপরে ইন্টারেস্ট রেট যেটা আমরা প্রোভাইড করছি সেটা অনেক কম, যাতে আপনাদের গ্রামের সবার পক্ষে সেটা সাপোর্ট করার, সেটা পে করাটাও খুব একটা প্রবলেম হবে না। আর খুব
Okay,
কম
thank you,
পেপার ওয়ার্ক।
thank you. Sufficient. Good, good. You talked nicely, very happy. Now, let me go for other questions. Please tell me about the recent budget, some changes in MSME, say, definition and turnover definition, investment definition, and all. Hello?
Yes, yes, sir. Do you want me to say like regarding to particular MSME sector or all
Yeah,
over
MSME
India?
sector. I am asking only that particular page, MSME sector. What are the changes brought in the budget?
Sir, regarding the MSME sector, they have increased the slab for the categorization of MSME sectors. Like they have increased the range of like the invested amount, and the revenue they are
Listen,
getting.
listen, listen,
Uh,
stop, stop,
yes,
stop.
yes, sir.
Because you are not confident, you have never come to the point till now. You talked for 30 seconds on this question and you have not come to that. Instead, you could have started micro industry definition. Investment must be less than this much, turnover less than this much. Small industry investment this much, turnover this much. You should have told straight away to the point. Why are you dragging like this? I told
Sir,
you,
I was not
you
aware
have a
about
flair
this.
for talking in English. That doesn't mean you should talk that which is not relevant for a long time. That is the only area, but of course you will be selected. 90% you will be selected, but then why are you dragging like that? Are you aware what you did now?
Yes, sir. Actually, I was not aware particularly of the technicalities of the MSME scheme in budget. That's why I wanted to just like go around in this
Yeah,
topic. I
actually,
understood.
micro means investment plant and machinery less than how many lakhs? Say, I will take you to that budget itself. Can anyone tell me? I agree. Can you tell me what is the definition of micro? I agree.
Sorry, sir, I will.
You don't know.
Sir, no, sir, if I don't recall now, sir.
I can tell you, but you cannot. See, initially, what was the definition?
Sir,
1 crore was
I
the definition. Now it is 2.5 crores investment plant and machinery and turnover less than 10
10.
crore.
Yeah, like now I
And
remember.
small means 25 crore investment and 100 crore turnover. And medium means now 125 crore investment and 500 crore turnover. Not only that, in the credit guarantee scheme, the guarantee was initially for 5 crores. Now it has been revised to 10 crores. I have given you only union budget, 12 pages. Why did you not read that? Hello, bolun. আপনি কেন পড়ে না? আপনি কেন you did not go through that? এটা দেখুন, এখানে
Okay,
আছে,
sir.
আপনি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন কি ফিচার্স অফ বাজেট?
দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
আচ্ছা, দেখুন, এইটা বেশালা ইম্পর্টেন্ট আছে। মানে engines of development, agriculture, MSME, investment, export. It do not, both are important. And regarding MSME, they are telling you here. MSME now definition 2.5 and 10 crores. Small 2500, 125 500, same as what I told you. Here I have omitted something. Here credit guarantee cover for MSEs is previously 5 crore, now 10 crore. For startups previously 10 crore, now 20 crore. And for exported MSMEs it is now 20 crore. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
বুঝতে পারছেন?
একদম, sir.
এখন agriculture কি encouragement করেছে? What are the improvements made for agriculture field?
Yes, sure, sir. So, Pradhan Mantri, through the union budget, Nirmala Sitharaman ji has announced the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Yojana that is going to cover 100 districts and potentially covering 1.7 crore customer by through crop diversification and exploring of areas where the crop growing is not that much satisfying. So, they will be focusing on those areas. Also, there's this. Makhana board going to be set up in Bihar. And there's also this cotton production, 5-year cotton production plan that has been given by.
Sufficient. Now, Miss Roy, New Delhi railway station. How many railway stations are there in Kolkata? Main stations. One is Howrah, another one Sialda. Na?
Yes, Howrah, Shialda.
Only two, na? Or is there any other third thing? No, only two.
I think there are more, sir. There will Howrah, Shialda, and I think near. I'll check on it, sir. I think there's more.
Then coming to New Delhi railway station, what is the sad incident that happened recently?
Yes, sir. Since the people were returning from the Kumbh Mela, so there was multiple trains actually cancelled. So there was like on the there was one train incident where multiple people tried to board the train and they suffered stampede and multiple people got injured because of that.
You are using multiple quite often. Multiple. Acha, are you seeing the railway station stampede on the screen? No.
No, sir.
No, 1 minute.
Sir, I will check on the exact numbers. I'm lacking in that. I know.
Yeah, 18 people died, and point told by you is wrong. It was not on account of the returning train from Prayagraj. All this happened in Delhi only, New Delhi railway station. On that day, number of people taking without reservation ticket 1,000 per hour. Soon, thousands of people gathered and they introduced a new train fully unreserved compartment, and they announced the um, say platform as 12 or 16, and it was wrongly understood by heard by the passengers. So there was a rush from this side to that side. On account of that, lot of stampede happened, and 18 people died. Very sad. Okay, who is the president of America?
The president of America is Donald Trump.
Who is the chairman of Federal Bank?
The chairman of Federal Bank is KBS Mani.
Who is the Home Affairs Minister of our government? Minister for Home Affairs
Yes, sir.
and Cooperation. You don't know. Amit Shah.
Amit
Anyhow,
Shah. Sorry, I know, sir. I just suddenly I forgot the name. It's
yeah,
Amit Shah.
doesn't matter. Thank you so much. Best wishes. I wish you all the best. Mostly you'll be selected, but depends. I don't know what happens. Sometimes interview is a question of luck. For you, as I told you already, plus point is good ability to talk in English. This itself will get you 50 marks. Then, if you can answer the questions relating to the thing, you will get good marks. But then you should not do like what you did for MSME. When
Yes,
you
sure,
are
sir.
not knowing the answer, you are beating around the bush. Instead, you can feel free to say, sorry, sir, I don't remember. No problem. If you answer out of 16 questions, 12 questions correctly, you will be selected. If you say, I don't know for the 4 questions, you will not get negative marks. You must know what you know. You must also know what you do not know. Best wishes. God bless you and Alagiri